snow's blowing off of there.
God is great. Mother
And your rear window's not cleared off.
How long it had been since she had
Really?
spent so much time on
In a car covered with snow.
She shrugged. Marshmallow.
Lyft driver.
In a series of Chinese idioms.
Oh boy, look at that. No fucks given. I am not pleased by the lack of effort. Try better next time.
A man chasing me, and I can never see exactly what he looks like because he's all wrapped up in a, what do you call it, a cloak. Decent.
Why don't you clear off your rear windshield while you're in there, you know? Might be a good idea. Also, your rear window is covered. Yeah. Clean that off.
He'd say, I don't walk under ladders, I don't cross black cats' paths.
Whoa, well, look at all that snow on that car. Come on. Come on. What is that?
He had caught sight of Stu and the others for the first time. The zoo had been camped in a picnic area just off the interstate.
Hey, look at all the snow blowing off of it now. Yeah, just get on the interstate. It'll blow off eventually. That's a lot of snow. It hasn't snowed since yesterday. Could mean he had only a chance to clean all that stuff up. You know, they do make snow brushes that could reach that high. Perhaps you should invest in one.
I was willing to bet there were a lot around. Easy to slap the make on, but watch out for the fingernails afterward.
Would it kill you to clear off your rear window? I guess it would. I don't know. Holy shit, look at that van. Look at it. Look at it. Yeah, look at all the snow on that truck there. Come on. Seriously? And why not that Ford Escape? Can't get all the way up on the roof.
The best way to not be able to fall asleep is to lie in bed trying desperately to fall asleep.
Avalanche!
So, let me encourage you to...
That is what I would like to call a good old-fashioned mohawk. Just off the edges and just leave a big poof of hair in the middle. Yeah. That's what you got there.
That was always planted.
You know, for a company that brings dinosaurs back from extinction, they can't afford a snow brush for you to use to get the snow off the roof of your truck there? Jeez, they're cheap. No wonder why they keep escaping and eating people and stuff. Oh, look at that minivan. It's got a lot of snow coming off and it's flying off. Do a better job next time.
Doesn't everybody are the same in that everybody has an opinion. Everybody's opinion is subjective. Everybody...
In my opinion, thinks you could have done a better job on that roof there.